Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most revolutionary shifts in military technology and warfare tactics, the rise of drones. Known as UAVs or unmanned aerial vehicles, these flying machines have redefined the battlefield, intelligence gathering, precision strikes, and even psychological warfare. In this video, we'll break down the evolution and impact of drone warfare, explore their exterior and interior features, evaluate performance and safety mechanisms, highlight their unique advantages, compare costs, and conclude with what the future holds for UAVs in global conflicts. From the outside, drones may seem like simple flying machines, but their design is anything but basic. Military drones come in various sizes, from small quadcopters that can fit in a soldier's backpack to massive fixed-wing UAVs like the MQ-9 Reaper, which boasts a wingspan of 66 feet. The exteriors are crafted with lightweight composite materials to optimize fuel efficiency, stealth capabilities, and maneuverability. Some drones are built for speed and stealth, with radar-absorbing coatings and smooth, minimalistic body lines that reduce their radar cross-section. Others are rugged and modular, allowing for the rapid swapping of sensors or payloads depending on mission needs. Propulsion varies. Rotary wings are common for tactical drones, while larger surveillance or strike drones use turboprop engines. Infrared sensors, high-resolution cameras, LiDAR, and satellite communication domes are often embedded externally, making them formidable tools for reconnaissance and combat alike. Inside the drone lies a sophisticated integration of avionics, artificial intelligence, GPS systems, and encrypted communication tools. There's no cockpit because there's no pilot on board, but the internal electronics are far more advanced than many manned aircraft. Most modern drones can be remotely operated via satellite link or follow pre-programmed GPS paths autonomously. Onboard AI assists with obstacle avoidance, target recognition, and real-time threat assessment. When it comes to performance, military UAVs are breaking boundaries every year. For instance, the Bayraktar TB2, used extensively by Ukraine, has a flight endurance of up to 27 hours and can operate at altitudes of 25,000 feet. The US MQ-9 Reaper, by contrast, can carry up to 3,800 pounds of munitions and loiter over targets for more than 30 hours. Drones have the advantage of staying airborne far longer than human pilots could endure, allowing for extended surveillance or waiting patiently for the perfect strike opportunity. Their operational ceilings, range, and loiter time make them invaluable for modern asymmetric warfare. In terms of firepower, drones can carry precision-guided munitions like Hellfire missiles, laser-guided bombs, and even experimental electronic warfare payloads. They can strike with surgical precision, minimizing collateral damage at least in theory, while maximizing psychological impact on enemy forces. Safety features are essential in drone warfare, not just to protect the hardware, but also to prevent catastrophic failures in friendly territory or against civilians. Many military drones are equipped with auto-return systems that activate if contact with the ground station is lost. Collision avoidance systems use radar and visual sensors to dodge incoming obstacles or threats. Some models come with self-destruct mechanisms to prevent sensitive technology from falling into enemy hands. Redundant communication systems ensure that if one channel is jammed, backup links can maintain control. Importantly, cybersecurity has become a critical safety feature. Military drones now use highly encrypted data links to prevent hacking, signal jamming, or hijacking, threats that have become increasingly common in modern electronic warfare environments. The unique selling points of drones are numerous and powerful. First, they remove the human risk factor. No pilot on board means fewer lives are at risk during dangerous missions. Second, drones are cost-effective, not cheap, but far less expensive than building, maintaining, and operating traditional fighter jets. Third, they enable real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance without the need for boots on the ground. Fourth, drones can strike targets with precision, often eliminating threats before they ever reach the front line. Fifth, the psychological impact of drones loitering silently above a battlefield is immense. Enemies never know when or where a strike might occur. Sixth, drones can be deployed rapidly in response to evolving threats, often operating in swarms to overwhelm enemy defenses. Finally, drone technology is scalable. Nations can invest in small tactical drones for local defense or develop strategic long-range UAVs for global operations. This flexibility makes drones a tool for every tier of military power, from irregular militias to superpowers. Now let's talk about price. While drones are more economical than traditional aircraft, the costs vary widely depending on capability. Small quadcopter-style tactical UAVs can cost as little as a few $1,000s per unit. Commercial-grade recon drones used by infantry units range from $10,000 to $200,000. Moving up the scale, the Turkish Bayraktar TB2 costs roughly $5 million per drone, still significantly cheaper than a fighter jet, yet effective in combat. The American MQ-9 Reaper costs about $32 million per unit, with complete systems including ground stations, sensors, and support infrastructure pushing the price tag to over $60 million. However, this is still a fraction of the $100+ million price tag for an F-35 fighter. The cost of operation is also lower. Drones require fewer personnel, no onboard life support systems, and less maintenance downtime. This affordability makes drone warfare accessible even to countries with limited defense budgets, reshaping global power dynamics. So where does this leave us? In conclusion, drone warfare has permanently altered the rules of engagement. No longer is the sky the exclusive domain of manned fighter jets or surveillance aircraft. UAVs have democratized air power, allowing smaller nations and even non-state actors to wield influence in the skies. They provide militaries with unmatched reach, flexibility, and lethality. Whether used for border patrol, counter-terrorism, full-scale warfare, or cyber operations, drones have become a defining feature of 21st-century conflict. Yet, they also raise complex ethical, legal, and strategic questions. Who is accountable for a drone strike gone wrong? How do we prevent the proliferation of this technology to terrorist groups? What does it mean for traditional air forces if autonomous drones outperform human pilots? These questions remain open, but one thing is clear: the age of drone warfare is here, and it's not going away. As technology advances, we can expect drones to become faster, smarter, more lethal, and more autonomous. The battlefield of the future won't just be fought with bullets and bombs, but with algorithms and AI-driven UAVs. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this breakdown of how UAVs are changing the face of modern conflict, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more deep dives into military tech and future warfare strategies. Until next time, stay informed and stay sharp.